iPhone USB connection keeps disconnecting on PC. Fix. Step 1. Check your USB cable. The most common culprit is a faulty or damaged USB cable. Inspect your cable for any visible signs of wear and tear, bends, or frayed wires. Try using a different Apple certified USB cable to see if the problem persists. Step 2. Try a different USB port. Sometimes a specific USB port on your PC might be malfunctioning. Disconnect your iPhone and try plugging it into a different USB port on your computer, preferably one directly on the motherboard, rather than a front panel port or a USB hub. Step 3. Restart your iPhone and PC. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches. Power off your iPhone completely, then power it back on. Do the same for your PC. Once both devices have fully restarted, try connecting your iPhone again.